Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. A few months ago I contemplated the option of getting a monthly subscription box from FPVCrate in order to do a monthly unboxing video. Eventually I decided that this is not something that I would like to do, and today in this video I'm going to go over the contents of two of the boxes that I bought, and I'm also going to announce a giveaway. In case you are not familiar with FPVCrate, they are a part of GetFPV. A monthly subscription box costs $50 plus shipping, and when you buy it you can choose between different sizes for your shirt, different motor cell rating, so you can choose between 4 and 6S motors, and you can choose either RHCP or LHCP antennas. The contents of the box each month is a surprise, which is of course the gimmick, and they promise that each crate contains at least 5 items with a total value of over $80. The boxes that I'm going to show you in this video are from October and November last year, and by the way, just to be clear, I'm not affiliated by any way with GetFPV or FPVCrate. Let's start with the crate from October 2019. As you can see, everything comes nicely packed inside, even though the box itself came a little bit damaged. The first item is a sheet of high quality stickers. The next one is a 15% off Brain 3D coupon, which unfortunately has already expired. We also got 3 sets of Gemfan Hurricane 5-inch propellers, a Lumineer Axie antenna with an AM6 connector, a Caddx Turbo Micro F2 FPV camera, the Rush FPV Tank Ultimate, which is one of my favorite video transmitters, and finally a thank you card that shows the items that I've got, and according to FPVCrate, the total value is about $88, which is about $20 more than the price that I paid including shipping. The second crate is from November 2019. So inside we got a coupon code to the Crate FPV store, which just like the previous one has already expired as well, a high quality sheet of stickers, an FPVCrate race gate, a keychain that will also enable you to practice your soldering skills, a t-shirt, and 4 booster 2207 2500 kV motors. According to FPVCrate, the total value of the items in the box is $102, which means that if you got it, you saved about $40 of its retail price. Here's a closer look at the motors that I got inside the package, and as far as I can tell, the quality looks great. The motor bell is secured using a hex screw, and here is an inside look of the stator and the motor bell. As for the racing gate, its internal diameter is 16.5 inches, so it's mostly suited for 3-inch quadcopters and below, and it comes with these 2 accessories with self-adhesive tapes. So what do you think? Is it worth for you paying around $60 for this type of subscription box? Personally, for me, it's kind of a waste because I have already too many items in my room, and that's the reason I decided to stop the subscription after 2 months. But if you can afford it and you're looking for a monthly surprise, I think that why not, you can go for it, and worst case, you can cancel the subscription. As for the giveaway, the prize is either a month of FPVCrate subscription, shipping is on you, or if you'd like you can get instead the AGRC 455 Ampere 4-in-1 ESC, which was the prize of the last giveaway, which unfortunately didn't reach the target of 1000 views. And in case you commented the correct answer, which was 0, you're going to be automatically entered into this giveaway, and you can still participate in this giveaway again, which means that your chances of winning it are going to be improved. Participating in this giveaway is extremely simple. All you have to do is to leave a single comment down below, make sure to be subscribed to my channel, and hit the notifications bell, so in case you are going to win this giveaway, you're not going to miss out. The winner is going to be announced next month, so stay tuned. And by the way, this time there is no minimum target of views for this giveaway to happen, so it's going to happen anyway, but please share it with your FPV friends so they'll have a chance to win it too. This time I would like to thank myself for sponsoring this giveaway. I wish you all to stay healthy and safe, and I will see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.